channel. My name is Speaks. This is ASA Speaks the Retouch Academy. Welcome back. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to create this transparent snoot effect in Photoshop. So let's start right into it. Okay, so this is actually different from the normal snoot we apply, white and black snoot. So I'm gonna be using this picture right away. So, but this is the effect we want to get, this one. So now let's go. Now since we have this picture of this lady, it's very important that we have enough space where we can make the effect show, because I want the effect to be over her head like this, you get. So now, but she's actually the picture, the head of the subject is closer to the head, to the top. So I want to bring it down a little bit. So this is what we're going to do. Let's select this picture and make it smaller. Hold it down, hold, drag, and make it smaller like this. So after we get this, we're going to select the subject like this. Hold down shift and position very well. So I'm going to select like this. Good. And make it closer. Let's take it up a little bit so it covers. Now once you have this selection, let's zoom in. You see it's not close to the leg, not close to the head. I'm going to select inverse. So go to select inverse and make sure the layer is rasterized. So once you select inverse, you're going to go to edit fill, and then you're going to choose content aware, mode normal, opacity 100, and you click OK. So Photoshop is actually going to complete the rest and make sure that the rest parts are filled. Okay, so you can see what Photoshop did. We have a very good job at the down part, except for this place. So just select like this, take it up. Let's take it up like this, and now we can use this one and shift it maybe somewhere here, and let's see. So good. Now we have enough space where we can put our snow effect. But if you see, check this other picture, you will see that it has a background and it has texture, more like a photo manipulation thing. Why this one, the background is just too smooth. Okay, so we want to make sure that everything is even. So first of all, let's settle all this dark edge. So I'm going to go to select color range, select color range, and I'm going to select that color range, hold down shift, select more of it and increase the fuzziness so it's okay. We're going to, after the selection, grab curve. So we're going to brighten it up a little bit. So let's take it up. So if that doesn't work well, we can actually do some other stuff. Let's just leave it before darker, and we have it like this, brighter, a little bit brighter. Okay, but let's ignore that for the now, because that's going to take a lot of time to fix anyway. So I'm going to turn it off since that didn't work well. Now let's apply the texture. So grab any of these, these are texture layer. I'm going to try to use this texture at the back. So before I apply this texture, I'm going to select the subject. So let's go to select subject. Alright, so Photoshop selected the subject. We won't be needing this down part anyway, but let's just add it. So hold down shift while selecting that tool, and I'm going to add this part to it, that selection. Okay, so we can also select some part of the hair, since add a selection to it. Okay, wow, okay, lasso 2 was the one I'm supposed to select. Let's just select this one too as well. So now let's duplicate, Ctrl J to duplicate that layer. Now let's apply the background. So take it under. If it is this one, it's actually very fine. So just you don't need to worry about getting it right. We just want the texture from the background. So if we're using this one, we can just make it bigger. Or we're using this one, let's drag this down under. Can make it bigger, whichever one. This is not a photo manipulation. This is how to apply Snoot correctly. Okay, so let's say we want to use that one or this one. I'm going to grab the hand move tool and position this. So I guess this is where this infinite background started from. So something like this. And this one, if we want to use this one, this is where the infinite background started from. So something like this. Okay, so that's what we want to do. I want the texture. Now for us to apply the texture, I want, if we're using this one, we need to make, let's shift it a little bit. I want to make this blue look like the brown. So I'm going to apply selective color and clip it to it. So now we're going to remove blue by taking away the blues. So taking it towards the side, and we're going to remove green. We can remove green or apply green. So let's try and get the brown color. So this is the neutral. Let's start from the color cyan. 1, apply this, take it away. Let's go to blue. 1 or 2. Okay, remove blue, apply red, apply yellow. We can go to the yellow, apply red, go to the red, apply more yellow. We'll go to the magenta, apply yellow, apply red. So just a little bit. Now I'll go to the neutral. So this is where we get things looking like the harsh color. So you don't need to get it all perfect. You just need a little bit. Let's make it brighter a little bit. Okay, so let's say we're good with that. We can go to the white and same thing, apply yellow and red. We can go to the blacks, apply yellow, not too much, and apply red like that. So we've turned that into this color anyway. So now I'm going to go ahead and merge the layers. Let's apply it. We can apply it with screen, we can apply it with multiply, but it's going to be looking dark. We can apply it with soft light. So I guess soft light will work fine, or overlay. So this is the option we have. Let's apply screen instead. So now you can see that this one does not match the background. So let's go ahead and correct that. Let's leave it as screen. So screen is looking good. So this is what I'm going to do to get rid of this background, this one right here. I'm actually going to duplicate. First of all, Ctrl J. Let's turn off the one below. Double click to open up the blending option. And then we're going to remove the bright side like this. Yeah. Hold and hold, double click. And let's extend it. Okay, so we have it like this. It's okay. Now let's bring this back. I'm going to make this apply mask and then grab our brush and hide the surface. So let's bring it backward. I'm going to hit X and bring it back. I just want it at the edge of the hair. So something like this. Good. So we succeeded in removing that anyway. So now you can see our photo manipulation. So because we need this down part, I'm going to select this one, select the marker tool and drag it down, because this is the background we're using. So I'm going to go to edit, fill, content aware. So right now we have Ctrl D to deselect. We have our floor and all of that, you can see. So if you want to remove that, you can actually grab this tool and select, take it round because we want it to look normal. You can do all of that. It's actually very easy. Just take this, let's take it out of the way and take this out of the way as well. So just little touching and we're good. Now it's time to apply. I'm going to merge these two layers anyway. So let's see the outcome of merging those two layers, merge layers, and we have it. So we have our subject. Now the next thing we're going to do is to drag in our snoot effect. So this is our snoot effect. It's actually an ordinary snoot. Look at it. So I dragged it from the snoot. If you need it, you can let me know. Okay, so now I'm going to drag it below. I'm not using this one. I'm using this and this. Okay, so now drag it under, and it's under. So I'm going to move it, hold down Control, and move it to where our head is. So because we want it double, I'm going to drag it like this, move it like this, place it at the center. Let's rotate it very well. We'll have one. Now it's actually very, very good like this because of the direction of our light. So it's coming towards the left like this. So it's looking realistic to me. Now if you want to get the effect of the one above, let me quickly drag that. This effect, you can see how it's actually very pronounced. We can duplicate this, Ctrl J, so it's pronounced now. And one good thing is we can actually turn it, Ctrl Z. Let's turn. Shift it to the center and turn it so like this. Still turn. So we're gonna have it like this. Although I don't actually like go with this idea. Ctrl Z, where is this one? Yep. So this is how it looks, but I don't want to go with this one. I think I love the first one, which is this one. All we just need to do is to duplicate. The more we duplicate, the more it becomes more pronounced like this. So this is the effect we get. We can lower the first one a little bit and get the shadows. The shadow of this must match the shadow of this, so you can see. So this is the best way to actually do this. If you want to use this one, same thing. You can see how dark it is. Look, combining those two together, but we don't want that anyway. So this is how to get that effect we got at the beginning. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you guys for staying tuned. See you in the next one.